The ocean presents a completely different natural world. The creatures that reside underwater not only look different from land dwellers, but the way they function contrast all the way down to a fundamental level. The vast array of life forms in the marine ecosystem is awe-inspiring, entertaining, and sometimes downright terrifying. The deep waters of the sea is the home to many shocking creatures. The absence of light has forced these organisms to adapt and develop bizarre features you would not see anywhere besides an alien movie. Welcome to Mystery Box, and today we have 10 deep sea creatures you won't believe. Number 1. Frilled Shark. The frilled shark is one of the gnarliest looking creatures in the sea. If it looks like an ancient beast, that's because it kind of is. The frilled shark is one of the only surviving species in its particular shark family, but it can still be found throughout the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Frilled sharks are called living fossils because they have not much changed in the 80 million years they have lived on Earth. Fossils of frilled sharks indicate they may have lived in shallower water prior to the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. Number 2. Christmas tree worm. Scientists found this strange creature at the Great Barrier Reef's Lizard Island and named it the Christmas tree worm. Christmas tree worms come in a variety of bright colors. They are not very big, averaging about 1.5 inches in length. The spiral branches are actually the worm's breathing and feeding apparatus. The worm itself lives in a tube, and it can withdraw its tree-like crowns if threatened. Christmas tree worms can disappear in milliseconds. They sense movement in the water and can retract when feeling threatened. Moreover, they can seal themselves using an operculum, a specialized body structure that opens and closes like a door and equipped with spines to keep predators away. Number 3. Sea Angel. We wouldn't be surprised to find that sea angels are in the same family as the mythological sirens. They are called angels but are actually a predator sea snail. This particular specimen flies through the deep Antarctic waters, hunting the shelled theropods on which it feeds. Sea angels are an important food source for many organisms, from other plankton species to commercially important fish, whale, and even seabirds. Number 4. Gulper eel. The gulper eel, also known as the pelican eel, was aptly named thanks to its massive mouth and jaw. The pelican eel is a deep-sea eel rarely seen by humans, though it is occasionally caught in fishing nets. Gulper eels can grow up to 6 feet in length, and their huge mouths allow them to eat prey that is sometimes larger than them. This usually happens when food is scarce, and it's believed that gulper eels usually eat crustaceans and other small marine animals. Number 5. Red-lipped batfish. This peculiar-looking fish is also known as the Galapagos batfish and can be found at the bottom of the ocean. Although the red-lipped batfish appears to have legs, the limb-like appendages are actually fins, which the creature uses to stand upon and check out its surroundings. Number 6. Flamingo tongue snail. With a name like flamingo tongue snail and the flamboyant coloration to match, you might think that this snail has a shell worthy of collecting. Not so. All its color comes from the soft part of its body, which envelope its shell unless it's threatened. This specimen was photographed feeding on soft corals near Grand Cayman in the British West Indies. Number 7. Leafy sea dragon. Found along the southwestern coast of Australia, the leafy sea dragon uses its fins not only to propel it through the water, but as camouflage to resemble a piece of drifting seaweed. Number 8. Pycnogonid sea spider. Sea spiders, also called pentapoda or pycnogonids, are marine arthropods of class Pycnogonida. They are cosmopolitan, found in oceans around the world. There are over 1,300 known species, with a leg span ranging from 1 mm to over 70 cm. The male pycnogonid spider bears its own eggs. Sea spiders, for some unknown reason, are able to grow really big near the poles of the earth, but are small most everywhere else. Number 9. The Dumbo octopus. This octopus found over the mid-Atlantic ridge is affectionately called Dumbo. because of the way it flaps its ear-like fins to swim. Dumbo octopuses live at extreme depths in oceans around the world, up to 13,000 feet below the surface, and are the deepest living octopuses known. They feed on snails, worms, and other creatures they hoover up from the ocean floor. Number 10. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks are the stuff of nightmares. The super rare creature can grow up to 15 feet in length and has the ability to thrust its whole jaw outwards in order to capture prey. The goblin shark mostly feeds on fish, mollusks, and crab, and it poses no real danger to humans. It lives in very deep water, far from humans, and it is thought to be a poor swimmer and have bad eyesight. There are no reported incidents of goblin sharks attacking humans. Less than 50 goblin sharks have been seen since 1898, so if you were hoping to see one, chances are slim. Thank you for watching our video. To get more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.